Hello, this is Melanie Roderick. I head up the support group here at ZV. Today we're going to take a walk through the ZV configuration tool Maestro that's used for our HD Bridge 2000 units. So by default, we use DHCP for our IP configuration, which means that when we're connected to a LAN, we're going to automatically get an IP address from the DHCP server on the network. If you are connecting to a Windows computer and you do a direct connect as opposed to through a LAN, the IP address is actually going to come from what's called a link local pool, which is essentially just a smaller version that's going to get a set of IP addresses from your computer so that there's communication directly between the two devices. If you don't want to use DHCP, once you initially connect to it via DHCP, you can set it to static, and then simply enter the IP address, the mask, and the gateway that you want to use. It's important to note that if you change the IP address and it is outside of what your computer network is on, you will no longer be able to communicate with the unit. You may have to reset the unit to factory defaults through the front panel to be able to communicate to the unit again. Once you've made the changes, click Apply, and when you're changing an IP address, it does require a reboot after the apply to make that new IP address go into effect. So you would simply click Apply, go back to your Device tab, hit Restart, and then the new IP address would be in use. If we click on the Advanced Controls, there are some additional options that are available when you're setting a static IP. You can enter your DNS servers as well as your NTP or your time servers. It's rare that these are used, but we do offer the option for you if you want to specify them.